This modest increase reflects the city's steady economic pulse, even with broader trends across Europe remaining unpredictable. I'd like to know if you are noticing or seeing the inflation in Trieste.
Sure. Fish is not the same as other products because it depends a lot of how much they fish. So it's not that it's the same for everything, and it depends. But as a consumer, I notice that for sure.
Are you noticing inflation in Trieste?
Yes, absolutely. There's been, especially in some vegetables and some fruits as well, we've seen an increase in prices and a lowering in people buying these products because they cost a lot for what the product is. It's with vegetables especially now in winter with the zucchini especially. Yes, not less than 30% of increase. Yes, people. When people see the prices, they tend to look the other way or to look for something cheaper, which is, it's not a good thing to see because we sell this stuff and we know people need this and we have to sell at this price. It's not a good thing.